The Zoe Show, giving life.
God the Creator. God made the big and small animals. God made the big and small animals, the little mosquitoes and the tall giraffe. God made the pretty butterfly and little mouse. He made the slow snail and slow turtle too. God made the slithering snake, the biting scorpion and crawling crab. He made the fierce tiger, big brown lion and the white round sheep too. God made the jumping frogs, the beautiful swans and the swimming ducks. God created the many, many fish, the friendly dolphins, long, long whales and big scary sharks. He made the fat, lazy hippos too. The smart crocodiles and the quick alligators are His creation. God made the clever monkeys and proud baboons, the very smart orangutans, fast cheetahs and leopards alike. God made the black and white zebra and the jumping gay, the big dangerous buffalo, dirty muddy pig and the cow that gives us milk. Look around, to the left, to the right, anything crawling, biting and flying. God made it when He made you.